Hello guys, in today's video I came up with some cool text reveal effect ideas for your reels. Let's get started. Open Inshot app. Import the video on Inshot app. Tap text and start typing your text. Edit your text if you want it. Now press the arrow to extend it to the end of the clip and save this. Tap on Create New. Import the video you just saved on Inshot app. Tap PIP. Import the original video. Press autofill to fit to screen. Scroll from where you want your text to be appear. Add keyframe and tap mask and select the linear mask. Now drag it to the right of the screen. Keep adjusting the mask as you go. You will get something like this. Will you try this effect? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.